Hi and welcome to the WP Toolkit SmartLinks plugin tutorial. We're going to start with how to download, install and license your plugin. As you're watching this video, you should already have your download page link. If not, please check your email for the link and license info. If you can't find the email, please check your spam folder and feel free to get in touch with our support desk at imwb.freshdesk.com. So that's imwb.freshdesk.com. Please bear in mind your download page may appear slightly different to this one depending on where you purchased your plugin. Now, first step is to copy our license key, so let's scroll down the page so that we can actually locate and grab that. You'll notice, of course, that mine is blurred out for privacy. Now, you should copy this to somewhere safe for later use. I'd recommend keeping a separate spreadsheet with a list of your software purchases and license keys. It can also be useful to record the date of the purchase, contact details and support desk information as well. Now, the next step is to download the plugin itself. So let's scroll further down the page and you can see the link to click here in the orange box. Now, you should be able to just click on the link and it will download the plugin for you automatically. However, I'm going to right click and choose Save Link As so I can specify exactly where the plugin is going to be saved on my computer, in this case to a folder I've already set up for my plugins. So I'm simply going to click on Save and that will download that into that particular folder. Now, if you scroll further down this page, you will find this installation video and the tutorial videos for your plugin, as well as details of our support desk and how to get in touch. So please do, when you have time, scroll on down and check all the details on this page. However, we're going to move on to the next step in the installation process. So let's change the browser window to one where I'm in the admin panel of my WordPress site. So here I am on the Add New Plugins page, and I simply click on Upload Plugin, click on Choose File and navigate to the folder on my computer where I have that zip file stored, which is called WP Smartlinks.zip. Choose that file, click on Open, click on Install Now, and it will upload that plugin to my WordPress blog for me. It may take a second or two, a moment or two, depending on the speed of your server. There we go, it's now uploaded for me. Having installed the plugin, the next step obviously is to click on Activate to actually activate that plugin on our WordPress blog. Again, it'll take a moment or two depending on the speed of your internet connection and your site. Once it's activated, it will show as activated in your plugins list, but there will be a message at the top to say WP Smartlinks is unlicensed. So our next step is to pop our license key in to make sure it's registered, licensed, and we can go ahead and use it. To do this, we come down to the bottom here and click on the link for WP Smartlinks in the admin panel. Give it a moment to come up and it will be asking for our license key. And this page does include some information about the format of your license key depending on where you purchased the plugin. But all I'm going to do is go to the field itself, paste in my license key and then click on Save Changes to update the license and register my plugin. Again, that registration process can take a few moments depending on the speed of your server and internet connection. But there we go, we are now registered, licensed and ready to go and use our SmartLinks plugin. In the next tutorials, we will go through all the ways that this is going to help you increase your affiliate commissions. Thank you very much for watching.